In this video, I'm going to show how to use a contour profile gauge. And there's a few different kinds of these. There's that one there, which these can be relatively inexpensive. There is one available at Harbor Freight for under $15, but typically more like $30 to $50. Kind of same price range for this style as well. And this one works. There's little wing nuts here, which put some pressure on these metal plates, and then a flexible plate here, which can retain the shape of whatever contour you're trying to establish. And you just kind of tighten these once you have that the way you want it, and then it should retain that shape. And it does a pretty decent job of that. For smaller things, I actually prefer this kind here. So this has little kind of plastic, I don't know, teeth or whatever you want to call them, that will conform to whatever contour you're trying to match. Okay, I'll show you how this one actually works. All right, so here's the El Camino project, and I have this fabricated transmission tunnel here, and I'm trying to create a base for the shifter to reside. So I'm going to use this contour profile gauge to get that shape. So I just kind of placing downward pressure like that, and see how it retains that shape pretty well. And there's an angled portion to that and then a more flat portion, so I'll place it like that, and then there actually is measurements on there too, and this one even has some magnets on it. That way I can make sure I'm centered or wherever I need to be, and then I can go ahead and trace that contour like that. So actually a really nice piece of equipment, because the alternative there would have been to make a template and sort of guess what the curve is and sort of trim and get to where I need to be. But this is a really fast, easy way to do that for relatively inexpensive. All right. Well, if you have other ideas, questions, comments, anything like that, please leave those. Appreciate you checking it out.